or when I put my moccasins back on. Incident at Wounded Knee, February 27, 1973. My mother's prayers were trees and wind. I hung on when I heard her whispers, late at night when shadows become horses. And each year, like the drips of water from a faucet, I carve out a place, hollowed, a spot where echoes listen, swirling in red, something like hatred and generosity combined, compressed, and the waiting. Night fell, and in the quiet we hid. With the rattling wind, we ran past the apocalypse. The worst has already come. Remember who you are. Stand ready. Because these stories tell themselves in my bones, and I can hear the movement from past to present. The soldiers march, a massacre, from Wounded Knee to present day. Dakota warriors, honor in combat, the cowardice of invaders, even our children a threat. We return, dusting ourselves off from the earth, the ground itself, my ancestor, telling us the time is now. Prepare your children. I ready my gun. Return the fire. So it doesn't have a title. He walks the road, sun rising, prairie grass flattens under each step. Today, his face is clear, and when he looks up, he sees white man's gods, shapes in the clouds, peering at him. He is the fish in their bowl, large eyes looming. All he can do is laugh. In morning stare, he's confident. Black hair combed back, black bandana folded and tied from forehead to braid, fitted like the war bonnet of his ancestors. He is strong despite these years that wind themselves through his hair. He walks. When the sun comes up, he walks. When the road pushes him into tomorrow, he walks. When his brother gets locked up, he fights. When he's quick cold turkey, he walks. When he stays up late to sing ceremony songs, his friends passing the bottle at the graveyard, he walks the unsteady walk home. This day is new. This day is rising like hot smoke from fire. The bottles have been emptied. He's vowed 2 months. In morning stare, he's confident. Black hair combed back, black bandana folded and tied from forehead to braid, fitted like the war bonnet of his ancestors. He continues his morning conversation, each step another prayer, each step a broken treaty, each step speaking Lakota, each step watching over his relatives. With each step, his heart widens. He can barely breathe, a heart nearly too big for a body, air almost too dirty for a warrior on his way back.